Theka sana muleithire wa Meru TV na kanko ateweni kiri mubango yogi mama mwere mubango yoyo kwejera ntuko cionde cia Jumaine kuma thigili na nusu mwanka thaithato ntuko erwa reto ria bora tumba kutumira mirire kuthiria mirimu ira national lifestyle kana muturire yo muntu ya hypertension, diabetes, cancer, mirimu enkoro na kinya obesity. Mantu ya tweka watine kwa kuwatwa ni mirimu ni kuria kubuide mazoezi, kutumira nchobi nkulukia kithimi, kutumira viara shisha na kinya mbaki na kinya kurebya kuria bila tutebatere kuria. Tuko yore ni ngwatanirite na mutaalamu wa mirire na kwamba kwithira aetarire bya kuria bila tubatere kuria na kinya bila tutebatere kuria nikenda kuriria kana kwebana na mirimwe. Turi Facebook live omba kwethira ukiaraniria na batu na nkuluki ukolo ni ututhiatira Instagram, Twitter, herani Meru TV Kenya na kinya YouTube ni Meru Digital nkuluki na waraniririe na batu ukilukira na ambiwo kona nthi ya kioni kyako. Karibu sana Rispa.
Thank you.
We sawa?
Mbuya ugo.
Nyonde sawa?
Okay.
Kede muleithire wa Meru TV umwire ritara ku blog with asia na kinya na rodi tairangwe.
Mugeni Meru beta wa Rispa Kenya with a day nutritionist. I'm a certified nutritionist. With the rande gakoromone opposite Tharaka stage. Oni mpendete kuritana anto about food na ikenda tuba ko prevent lifestyle diseases na ikenda wethera wina a better life. Yes. So narambe da ndire oni beda ndena my private clinic. It's our Everest Medical Nutrition Clinic. To the side the Tharaka stage opposite National Oil Petrol Station baga Koromoni. To the ya counseling itwenda inya supplements kwenda cha gym kwenda cha nutrition itwenda ya na yes.
Iwe sana Rispa dena kuiru kungi kwethera ngwatanirite na wentu kwethare. Iwe sana nonto wakoya ndinkendo wambire na kututarire lifestyle diseases ni mwereko.
Lifestyle diseases, diseases ili kosawa na how we live. How we live by the work we do, ngogeira tuthithaya, physical activities, mirere yetu inyayo ni kosa lifestyle diseases, na inya our social life. Kuna wale watu wanapenda sherehe, especially kukunywa alcohol, smoking, all that zina causing lifestyle diseases. Yeah.
Bwa sana kenda tambirije na mulimu ya nyimba kana kansa ni temete ntano na account ya Meru. Nyampere sia igembe mwachi wa nyimba kana kansa abatire kuri ambi na nimbe atibatire kwezera hakire.
Okay, first nkeleza mulimu ja kansa imbio. Okay, nkaja na disclaimer nkamisa a little bit of Kiswahili, English na Kimiro. Yes. So murimo ja cancer i abnormal growth of cells. Ili kosa tumor. Na nde tumor yeu ni automata cancer. Na tumor yeu namba kwithira to me define into two different things. Either malignant na benign. Malignant ni raitira ikosa cancer, benign ile itithira china any effect or damage to our bodies. Na ndeke mirere kosa cancer. One kwena Iriobira toreja from the way we store food with something known as aflatoxin. It is a maize. So aflatoxin, how we store ne water the nyomera maize I mean. So kwena aflatoxin, kwena irioja bibi that be smoked because of the tar, smoked food or the burnt food. Ta eu ne there are something known as carcinogen. Carcinogen eu ne there are nyomera, cancerous. The diet that you eat. You're supposed to eat a balanced diet. There are carbohydrates, protein, na vegetables. So, balanced diet need to still could prevent cancer. Sasa, merere to ke physical exercise. Also, physical exercise, okay, that are active, you are at a high risk with a cancer. What else imbingenta uga wetege out sawa.
Nende dhani mwasio cancer batire kwithire kariate.
Okay, dhani mwajio cancer but kwithira first of all balanced. Tuga a half of the plate ibati kwithira vegetables, quarter of the plate ibati kwithira proteins, na quarter of the plate ibati kwithira starch kana carbohydrates. Na ndetu ge vegetables, examples of vegetables, kuna spinach, kuna skuma, kuna the kienyeji ones, kuna cabbage. So a half of the plate ibati kwithira mbio vegetables. Na ndeko take protein kuna the animal proteins na kuna the plant proteins. The plant proteins kuna beans, kuna ndengu, kuna kamande, kuna what else imbingenta uga beans. Few beyond the plant proteins, ke animal proteins kuna ankara, kuna eria na kuna nyama. Na ndi quarter of the plate obati korea the plant proteins. Na tukiugera the animal proteins, ke especially the red meat. Red meat ke weba the research kauga kuna carcinogen inda carcinogen. So red meat tukageri at least tuka limits intake of red meat, tuka increase intake of white meat. Tukwereanwa red meat ija nyama chiko. Cha ng'ombe, kwe cha pork, kwe baba uga pork white meat but pork is a red meat. Kwe nyama ya mbuzi pia ni red meat. The white meat kuna rabbit, kuna chicken, kuna fish, white meat. Na ndetoka geria noko reduce intake of red meat tukarai white meat. Na nteko ugatorege buruko ya red meat. Red meat still ina benefits chayo. Red meat ina zinc, red meat nitetheri nyakongera ndamu mwiri, so tuka limit, sindio? Na tuwezaka ireke nyama icha red meat chilatina maguta mono nkuruke the white meat. So it will advise mtu ale the lean one, irete na hitena maguta za maingi. Na ndito kuthirania side ya protein. Kienkara, at least ugakorokia nkara idhatu kiumia.
Okay.
Ke area isa sawa. And ndito itake the starch. The starch it advise at least tuka avoid the processed foods eja ke starch. The processed foods ija cheko. Ija iriobi vya metuwe enduka tuka reduce tuka reja inye kivi. Eya kivi isa sawa. Eita waka kangata. Kangata ndio the best. The ukarea inya the all grain foods. Vivia brown. Kadri mugate the brown. Kadri chapati brown. Kadri mugate the brown ones. Sindio?
Why brown and not white?
Okay, the brown has high fiber. Fiber unite the rinyako prevent cancer. Sindio? Na inyagine ite one of the causes of cancer is obesity. Obesity obesity so tukageri at least ke weight management. Fiber nite the ke weight management. So it wenda mtu whether a healthy weight. And they don't manage to advise the brown one because of the fiber. The brown the right kanyomera yewe guru. He unyo to ita fiber. And that's why we advise that one.
Wesa na Rispa. Utumeribu kuingia kwa skari. Nilika mtu watine bako watu ni cancer. Kuri na relationship iliko atiatika skari na cancer.
Okay, skari, it's among the processed foods and which it causes something known as inflammation. Inflammation, it's either to prevent cancer. And you don't to skari, you just avoid because of it leads to inflammation. Na pia kwe hormones ita which are carcinogenic.
Iboya kurina murire kana diet specific ira mtomba kuria kutiera to kwa tani murimo cancer.
Yes, kwina juu. Kwina what we call the antioxidant diet. Antioxidant include vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. You need the area ko antioxidant need the area to prevent the free radicals that itoma tokaje cancer. The second diet kuna anti-inflammatory diet. In anti-inflammatory is ginger, garlic, onions. UGIMA is still could prevent cancer. Because cancer mostly is the inflammation, the tumor. Na ndende UGIMA. Kuna phytochemicals. Phytochemicals ija cabbage, ija kales. Na UGIMA could prevent cancer. What else? Ito advise to increase intake of fiber diet. Ito kuga the brown foods, vegetables, fruits. Increase intake of vegetables. What else? Yeah. Na pia maji, tukunywe maji. Yes. When it comes to men, to advise banywe at least 3 liters per day.
How about women?
When it comes to women, 2 liters. But overall, 2 liters per day. That is enough for 8 glasses of water. It's equal to sour.
No, don't I 3 liters na mtomokanya 2 liters.
Okay, for the men, because of the muscles, because of the activities that they do, they need a lot of water in their body.
Ibra sana. Wewe bwana supplement. Kuna supplement ile mbote zaidi ya mwasio cancer.
It's when the year supplements. Kuna supplements mbateri kugarieto. The name of the supplements?
I guess
I can. So kuna prolite, kuna oncovite. If they are high protein diet, ito advise mwaji wa cancer akarea high protein diet. Because protein nita there could build mwiri. Reda mwaji wa cancer ageta through chemotherapy na lose weight. That is weight loss. And ito advise akomba kodhidya borea. Akomba akomba wawaye
tiwe kinyane sonko
akomba kujokia high protein diet supplement because of the weight gain. At least okombe nyako replace the nutrients that are lost during mtu eta chemotherapy kuna effects cha chemotherapy. Effects of chemotherapy kuna nausea, kuna loss of weight, kuna vomiting, na lose those nutrients. Na ndito kera ku supplements kenda itetheria kuthithia bure korege
ije kurabi ko muntu omba kuthia kutetheria ko manage side effect.
The side effect they are different in different cancer patients. If it's vomiting, it will advise at least let's start with appetite. Kuna loss of appetite. To advise at least ukaya patient irobiria akwenda the favorite ones. Soft diet, ukamwa soft diet, small but frequent meals. Ukamwa at least instead of 3 main meals, ukamwa kwa lunch, snack, breakfast, snack, lunch, snack alafu nyomeria, supper. Those are small frequent meals. Ejake vomiting, kutaika. We encourage anyweroje. Ejake constipation, we encourage a high fiber diet and also small but frequent meals. Yes.
Ili kurabi kudomba utetheria ku manage constipation na diarrhea.
Constipation and diarrhea, constipation, it advise a high fiber diet. Yes, high fiber diet, the vegetable, increase intake of vegetables and fruits. It's advice ke kunywa roje, nitetheria ke constipation, and that's all.
No, taika.
Taika still it's all the same. Actually, most of the symptoms are the same. Small but frequent meals. Uka advise inyomera irobi bina maguta ja mainge. Uka avoid irobi lebi ku irritate bi utuma utaika bi bina strong odor, bila bina smell. Spices you avoid. Hivyo sasa.
Ibaya sana. Tutenende kile hypertension, kana high blood pressure, kulingana na WHO, kana usonkoni wa WHO, anto 25% ya Kenya pale na mulimu wa hypertension. Na baraba ingi bara ikasena ototo robo. Hasi baba hypertension babatere kuria bya kuradikaliate.
No, tuambie what is hypertension? Okay, hypertension is high blood pressure, and it's also known as silent killer. Hypertension is in a sense and symptoms. You don't manage with a silent killer, but no one the symptoms through headache, okay, go in a chest pain, okay, go in dizzy. Na ndeke irio okay mirere, we advise low sodium diet, chumbi. Chumbi kuna connection between chumbi na hypertension. Kuna you avoid or you limit intake of caffeine.
Bidi witao mtu abatere kuria sumbi yana
a pinch. Uya pinch. Ndio bati korea. Kere inyo tigo igetest, but chumbi ya lazima na pia will advise to tumire the normal chumbi. Kwa chumbi ya antuba ugatia antuba pressure. Hizo to avoid. Mbona kuna kitu inaitwa iodine. Kwa chumbi itawa cane salt. Nyoka tega au nde itaitherwa iodinized salt. Netherwa ina iodine. Na dit iodine nitaithera ku prevent goita nimbaja. Na ndiro maana to advise you take the normal salt, the cane salt because of iodine. To kwanza kill pinch is enough. The second thing, you avoid caffeinated drinks, hii ina caffeine, especially the tea ina caffeine, kahawa ina caffeine. At least inyakwa dhirako ibaba uga ndareka kunywa chai mbiga wankiro unkiaji mutoe. And it advise at least wekere kanini. Wize kwe bobe kaira chai ekawata buru majani kaya kala black, and it advise at least oyekira kanini. But if you can avoid it sour, not tumere soya, kana cocoa. The third thing, to advise a high potassium diet. Potassium eke bananas, potassium eke oats, potassium nite area to reduce the level KM to hypertension, sodium levels is high. So potassium nite area sodium levels ike nama. So it advise okaria hiriobira bina high potassium. Inya sweet potatoes ndoma china potassium yeguru. Another thing ni kukunywa maji. Kukunywa maji tumesema ni 2 liters per day. Nini nyingine sijasema yuko sawa. A low fat diet. Nyama hii na mafuta jama inge. We advise you eat a lean meat. Na pia mafuta jara to tumaira koruga to bati otumira the liquid one than the solid. Jara jago tema ari to tiganya joguru.
Mwasi wai blood pressure me batere kwedera avoid.
Avoid K nutrition to tuga avoid. You don't avoid anything, but we limit. Kero bati ko limit caffeinated drinks you caffeine, processed foods, idiobi vyanduka ugatiga na byo buru, sodas, the biscuit, the cake so garekanayo buru. And what else? Alcohol intake, barabako smoking. That's what you're supposed to avoid and limit. Yeah.
Natamuta kamenya high blood pressure kana blood pressure we titite bora kwa girete.
Maybe that is so.
Natamuta kamenya high blood pressure we ni titi kana ni nami.
Kegwitia blood pressure ko dhimawa kwenye mere tumira kudhima pressure. There is a machine that we use. Na ndeke reges na toka amenya pressure kunititi. Kwena yegoro na kwena yandi. Yegoro itawa systolic, yandi itawa diastolic. Yegoro ibati kuidhira A120, yandi ibati kuidhira A80. So kona A above, but from ikenda umenyeka uwe na hypertension, you know, either A from 140 to over 90. So from 140 over 90, yegoro. And there, ike ya nyomere kedra ya below 100 imeshuka. Ingine ya chini below 60 iko chini.
Ndio kuna bila kudombo tedere kweneka blood pressure.
Kweneka blood pressure. Still tulisema the sodium diet gatedera kweneka pressure, kuna maji ukanyoroje nitedera kweneka pressure. Irio korea physical activities also itetedera kweneka pressure. How you handle stress, also stress. Stress okay, that when stress kwena the stress hormones tetawa cortisol na kwena adrenaline. Hiyo ituma pressure igaitia. So to menyere to dhibebora to handle stress bwega. And then sleeping. Okabati ukumama at least 7 to 8 hours. Yeah.
Ibaya sana tutenende kile diabetes.
Okay.
Diabetes ni mbili na tokari.
Okay, diabetics, it is a chronic condition or a lifestyle disease. Okay, diabetes, twina type 1 diabetics, na twina type 2 diabetics. Type 1 diabetics, it's an autoimmune disease. Autoimmune tumaanisha atia. Your immune system ni batiko ko protect against diseases. But ke autoimmune, immune system yako ukiago kwa attack. And they have not with the autoimmune. So autoimmune diseases, either K type 1, K type 2, either a lifestyle diseases. And what happens in diabetics, sukari, it's a chronic condition. Area there are elevated blood sugars that is nyomera nutoboa insulin problems. Either insulin ni itio produce oburu, kana insulin ni go produce wa lakini itio tumuka ke mwiri. K type 1 diabetics, insulin is not produced kabisa. Like K type 1 diabetics either weke tuana. K type 2 diabetics is from 40 years kweta. So K type 2 diabetics is a lifestyle. Yes, insulin ni go produce wa, but here producer itio tumika. Urakubate.
Na tatuomba utumira mirire ku manage blood sugar.
To manage blood sugars. So there is what we call portion control. Kuna the diabetic plate, and I guess nkonyuga kairi. The diabetic plate ni utotumaira tometa 50, 25, 25. Nusu edhani ya kwe bati kwethera vegetables, quarter ebati kwethera carbohydrates, quarter ebati kwethera proteins.
Utaeta fats.
Yeah?
Utaeta fats.
Oh, fats.
Yeah.
Fats, the mafuta. Oh. Ke fats, so togeta au ke fats. Na ndeto gatumira dhani yeto a half plate vegetables, quarter proteins, na quarter carbohydrates. Fats ni fats ziko, kuna fats, kuna good fats na kuna the bad fats. Kuna the good fats, especially kuna the avocados, kuna the nuts, fat hizo ziko tu sawa. But kuna what we call the hand jive, Zimbabwe hand jive. Na ndio unionka eleza fats, tobati otumira ke vegetables, togata auju. Use both of your hands. Eunio batikorea. Ke proteins, the wrists. The wrists. Nyoto batikorea. Eja ke carbohydrates, nyomere ankundie ku. Imbije kwa na everybody it's quite different, but fist of your hand. Nyo batiko tumira ke nyomera ke starch. Ke fats, the dump. Kama ni mafuta, kanini moja, teaspoon moja, that is enough. Yeah.
Nata mta kamanya blood sugar way out of control.
Okay, ke blood sugars, kuna signs and symptoms. Ke blood sugars, ukamenya kama iko juu, kuna frequent urination. The second symptoms kuna frequent thirst. The third one kuna hunger. Alafu kuna unexplained weight loss. So kaiwa mtu arari 70 kgs anateremka hadi 40. Hiyo ni ingine. Kuna wound healing. Poor wound healing. Na ndeke kuthimwa itotumaila what we call glucometer. Na ndeke tuina the RBS na kuina FBS. Kuina random blood sugars na kuina fasting blood sugars. Fasting blood sugars edhima wa 7 to 8 hours before you eat. Mostly edhima wa rokiri. Fasting blood sugars, the normal range is but whether 3.5 to 5.6. Random blood sugars, but whether 3.5 monka 7. But came to we normal, what's in a diabetes, na came to in a diabetics, it's quite different key ranges. Came to in a diabetics, fasting blood sugars, but at least 8 below 7. Ke random at least 10 iko tu sawa.
Ibaya sana. Ndio kudadiri kwa vyomba kuoneka kana with their blood sugar.
Ke with the processed foods, obviously. Processed foods bibi anduka, kuna skari, kuna sodas, kuina the cake, pia processed foods chamba with the skari, kuina pia physical activities. If you have kwadra physical activities iko chini, obviously the sugars zitapanda. And then kuina Kiego prevent to advise you eat the whole grains of the high fiber diet. Fiber native there are still to control the sugars. And then the second thing to advise instead of the white to color the brown, still ikona fibers. Pia to avoid processed foods or we limit the processed foods. And then to carry the lean meats, alafu we do exercise, alafu weight management, kama kilo zako ziko mingi, if you're obese or overweight, to advise mtu akanyia kilo.
Apart from processed foods, sija kurabili kubingi mwasi wa diabetes, abatere kudira aki limit.
Processed aki limit, sindio? Processed foods ndio the most. Alcohol intake, smoking, you're supposed also to do exercise. Yeah.
Nanto wamaga tutena mpoe kiri gut health. Kudi orina damage the gut ni kwe kowati ni bakwatwa ni mirimo kadomba. Ido kwa biko mtu abatere kurani kenda kutira gut health yawe eri sasawa.
Okay, gut health there was the kwe nairobieta probiotics. Probiotics they are the live bacteria. You tuitake yogurt, ke fermented foods, the daily products, kuina mala, kuina yogurt. To have a good gut health. And then the second thing, kuna the prebiotics. Prebiotics, here I feed the probiotics. Probiotics together, they are the live bacteria. Then kuna the prebiotics. Prebiotics is onion, garlic, bananas, oats, nyati tuena good gut health. Alafu high fiber diet still fiber is the main thing. So high fiber diet, increase intake of vegetables na fruits titedhaira kwethera wena a good gut health. What else? Pia physical activities, iteke side but physical activities itedhaira batu kwethera twina good gut health. Yeah.
Usorobo kia no poteze.
Yes, it's a fermented food. Usorobo kia it's a fermented and it's part of probiotic.
Nata mtu akamenyari na dina ya gut health.
Kumenya wina dina gut health kuna signs and symptoms which include bloating, ukaiwa wina gas kill, kuna constipation, or kara for long without going to the with a stool, kuna acne. Na mtu akona acne. Pia hiyo it's a nini of kwenda wena poor gut health. Kuna weight, pia obesity. Kuna wengine wanajaribu ku reduce kilo but our reduce notobwa gut health is poor. Yes.
Ibu asa na rispa mwere kido kwa kambira mata yetu ya kodira. Ukibwa kubwa mudia.
Ukibwa kubwa mudia is that tochiomia toka tore mirere megate one time thing. It means consistency. Na nde toka follow diet yetu consistently na toka prevent from the lifestyle diseases. Yeah.
Ibu sana rispa na tobako atanira na bato kerigira okay ni ringi na ringi bitana na kutoa mataro. Ibu sana mlidiri wa Meru TV unotekera katanta keri mubango UGIMA bamwere ogorogorware idrawina kaita kakea bitawatiri babu.